Okay, so I just learned that when I stopped earlier on accident, it stopped my recording, so you get like version 4 now. So we're going to call this the Fun Dice game. We did it on Sunday, September 12th. It includes 2 fancier dice that have higher values. Your 0, if you have 0, can be 0 or it can be a 10. You just need to clarify that at the beginning. And then you have 3 regular dice. If you have some larger dice because you play games that use it, go ahead and get them. We don't mind. We only just provide everyone with the same style. So you're going to have the students work through this on their whiteboards. You're going to have them roll the dice. Okay? In this case, my 2 big dice get multiplied to make my target value. So my target value for this one is 7 times 7, which is 49. And then my individual digits are 4, 1, and 3. Okay? So it looks like this. Sorry, I'm covering up the top because I'll explain the ones I did before. There. You're going to have to see them now. Alright, so I need to get to 49. And again, you start them using add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Don't add in exponents too early because it makes them think more. And so I could go through here, and as a 2D, I could say, well, what if I just added them? 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Well, 8's nowhere near 49. So what might I be able to do then? Well, the other person might say, oh, well, what about 4 times 3? 4 times 3 is 12. And 12 plus 1 is 13. Somebody else might have another idea. Okay, and you let them go through it until somebody gets closest to 49. You can do closest without going over if you want, or you can let them go over and then see who's farthest away from your target goal. Okay, but this is your target goal. And again, it came from the multiplication of these 2 dice values, whatever they roll. Okay, and it would also be interesting if they actually did have to go to 0, because it's kind of working in a different direction. And just it'd be interesting to see if they understand how to get to 0. This is one I did in the previous video, but I had accidentally stopped it. I rolled a target goal of 48, and I had 6 and 5 and 4. I added them at first, playing the 2D roll. Then I started some multiplication. I felt like I got too big, and then I went back and did 44. Okay? And this is another one where I could add them up. My target goal was only 5, and I go like that. They do need to write down their reasoning and show you how they got the math. Don't just assume that they're correct because it's mental math, and so there's easily some computational errors that might come up. But we want to make sure while they're playing these games that we're super encouraging of them. Even if they do incorrect math, correct it. And be like, man, that was a great try. Like, thank you for trying. You got super close. And then keep playing it. This is also a good filler at the end. If, say, it's about to be time to go, but you finished your activity for the day and you need something to do, this is a great game to just pull out and have them write out on their board.